Hey everyone, today we're diving into the sweet world of desserts. Get ready to discover 10 easy dessert recipes you can whip up right at home. Whether you're a novice baker or just looking for some quick and delicious treats to satisfy your sweet tooth, this video is packed with ideas. From cookies to cakes and everything in between, we've got something for everyone. So grab your apron, gather your ingredients, and let's get started on this sugary adventure together. Remember, all these recipes are designed to be fun, easy, and absolutely scrumptious. Let's make some magic in the kitchen without any fuss.
Let's kick things off with a timeless treat, the chocolate chip cookie. This recipe is a staple in any baker's cookbook, perfect for any occasion. You'll need some basic ingredients like flour, sugar, eggs, and of course, chocolate chips. The secret to the best cookies? Mixing the dough just enough to combine the ingredients without overworking it, which keeps your cookies soft and chewy. Now, while you watch, I'll show you how to mix these ingredients into the perfect cookie dough. Next, we'll scoop the dough onto a baking sheet. Remember, space them out because they will spread. Bake them until they're golden brown, and you've got yourself a batch of heavenly chocolate chip cookies.
Next up, let's make some rich and fudgy brownies that are sure to please any chocolate lover. Begin by melting chocolate and butter together, creating a luscious base for our brownies. Then we stir in sugar, eggs, and vanilla for that sweet, decadent flavor. Flour comes next to give our brownie structure, but not too much, as we want them to stay moist and fudgy inside. Pour the batter into a prepared pan and smooth out the top for an even bake. Once they're out of the oven and cooled, cut them into squares and enjoy the gooey goodness. These brownies are irresistibly rich, and just watching them bake is a treat in itself.
Chapter 3. Vibrant Vanilla Cupcakes. Moving on to something a bit lighter, vanilla cupcakes. These are fluffy, soft, and perfect for personalizing with your favorite toppings. Start with creaming together butter and sugar until it's pale and fluffy. This introduces air into our batter, making the cupcakes rise beautifully. Next, add eggs and vanilla extract for flavor, then alternate adding dry ingredients and milk to keep the batter smooth. Once your batter is ready, divide it into cupcake liners and bake until they're springy to the touch. Decorate with your favorite frosting and sprinkles for a fun, festive look. Whether it's a birthday or just a treat-yourself day, these cupcakes are sure to brighten up the occasion.
Chapter 4. Bananarific Bread. Now, let's use up those overripe bananas by baking some delicious banana bread. This is a wonderful recipe not only for its taste, but also for its simplicity and the way it fills your home with a comforting, warm aroma. Start by mashing the bananas until smooth. The riper, the better for natural sweetness and moisture. Mix in melted butter, then add sugar, an egg, and vanilla for depth of flavor. Stir in the flour and baking soda, then pour the batter into a loaf pan. As it bakes, the top should turn a lovely golden brown. Slice it up and serve warm, maybe with a dab of butter or a drizzle of honey. This banana bread is just perfect for a cozy breakfast or a sweet snack during the day.
Chapter 10. Effortless No-Bake Cheesecake. To cap off our dessert journey, let's whip up a no-bake cheesecake, a creamy and delightful treat that doesn't even need an oven. Start with a simple crust made from crushed graham crackers mixed with melted butter. Press this mixture into a pan to form the base. For the filling, blend cream cheese until smooth, then add sugar, a touch of lemon for zest, and whipped cream for lightness. Pour this mixture over your crust and let it chill in the refrigerator until it's set. The result is a silky, indulgent cheesecake that's just waiting to be topped with berries, chocolate, or whatever your heart desires. This dessert is not only easy to make, but also a sure crowd pleaser at any gathering.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy baking! We hope you enjoyed discovering these 10 easy dessert recipes as much as we loved sharing them with you. Whether you're looking for something quick to satisfy a sweet craving or a fun project to do with the kids, these desserts are sure to bring smiles all around. Keep experimenting, keep enjoying, and most importantly, keep making sweet memories. Until next time, keep your whisks ready and your ovens warm.